Intelligent screening can help you automating your screening strategy, saving energy and optimizing your conditions below your screen. Screens are used for a variety of reasons. We want to protect our crop against high light levels. So then we use the shading functionality. During the night, we want to protect the crop against outgoing radiation, and we want to insulate our greenhouse. So for this, we use the energy saving functionality, which are available on the iPhone. If we close the screen completely, then heat and moisture can build up below this closed screen. Especially if we use lighting, these situations can happen. Cracking your screen just a little bit can be enough to release this extra moisture or heat. However, it can be quite a hassle to fine-tune these settings. Intelligent screening can help you optimize this crack position. So how do we do that? Intelligent screening is connected to one screen. So we're talking about the horizontal screens at the top of your greenhouse. Also, we would like to have an aspirator box above your screen, because then we really know the conditions above and below the screen, and we can use physics to determine the optimal actions.